Look up at the night sky and find the constellation Orion. It's easy to spot with its three bright stars forming the Hunter's Belt, but Orion holds a secret. One of its stars is a ticking time bomb. This star is Betelgeuse, and it's nearing the end of its life. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, a star far larger and more massive than our own sun. One day, not too far in the future, Betelgeuse will explode. This explosion is called a supernova, and it's one of the most powerful events in the universe. When Betelgeuse goes supernova, it will be a spectacular sight from Earth. The explosion will be so bright that it will be visible even during the day. But don't worry, Betelgeuse poses no threat to life on Earth. It's too far away to harm us, but it's close enough to put on an amazing show. Astronomers are eagerly watching Betelgeuse, waiting for the moment it explodes. It's a rare opportunity to witness one of the universe's most incredible events. So keep an eye on Orion. You might just see a star explode. Betelgeuse is located about 642 light-years away from Earth, in the upper left shoulder of Orion. Stars like Betelgeuse go through various stages in their life cycle, from birth in a stellar nursery to their eventual death. Betelgeuse was once a young, hot star, but over millions of years it has expanded and cooled. Now, as a red supergiant, it has reached the final stages of its life. When Betelgeuse finally explodes, it will leave behind a beautiful supernova remnant, a glowing cloud of gas and dust. The core of Betelgeuse may collapse into a neutron star, an incredibly dense object made mostly of neutrons. Or if the core is massive enough, it could even form a black hole, one of the most mysterious objects in the universe. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that Betelgeuse is a star with a dramatic future. And who knows, you might just witness one of the most spectacular events in the cosmos. The explosion of Betelgeuse will be a reminder of the incredible power and beauty of the universe. So keep watching the stars and stay curious about the wonders of the cosmos. Betelgeuse is a true giant of a star, one of the most massive and luminous stars visible to the naked eye. It dwarfs our own sun, stretching hundreds of times larger. In fact, if Betelgeuse were placed where our sun is, its outer surface would extend beyond the orbit of Mars. If Betelgeuse were at the center of our solar system, it would engulf all the inner planets, including Earth, Venus, and Mercury, making it a truly colossal presence. This enormous size means Betelgeuse has a lot of mass, which is fuel for stars. The more massive a star, the more fuel it has to burn. But it also means it burns through its fuel much faster. But Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its fuel supply. As it depletes its hydrogen, it has started burning heavier elements, a sign that it is in the final stages of its life. It's in the red supergiant phase, which is like the old age of a star. During this phase, the star expands and cools, giving it a reddish hue. Red supergiants are unstable, prone to expanding and contracting. This instability is due to the complex processes happening in their cores as they burn through different layers of fuel. They are like cosmic pressure cookers about to burst. The outer layers of the star are constantly in flux, creating a turbulent and dynamic surface. Betelgeuse's location in Orion's shoulder is no accident. This constellation is one of the most recognizable in the night sky. Massive stars like Betelgeuse often form in groups within galaxies. These stellar nurseries are regions where new stars are born from clouds of gas and dust. Orion is a region where many stars are born. The presence of Betelgeuse in this constellation highlights the ongoing cycle of star birth and death. Betelgeuse's eventual supernova will not only mark the end of its life, but it will also contribute to the birth of new stars in the future. The explosion will scatter elements into space, seeding the next generation of stars and planets. Stars are not eternal, they have a life cycle, just like living things. Stars are born from clouds of gas and dust. Gravity pulls these clouds together, and as they collapse, they heat up. Eventually, the core gets so hot that nuclear fusion begins. This fusion is the engine of a star, powering it for millions or even billions of years. But eventually, even the largest stars run out of fuel. When this happens, the core can no longer support itself against gravity. It collapses inward, triggering a shockwave that rips the star apart. This is a supernova, a spectacular explosion that can outshine entire galaxies. Supernovae are essential for life in the universe. They scatter the elements forged in the hearts of stars like carbon, oxygen, and iron. These elements become the building blocks for new stars, planets, and even life itself. When Betelgeuse explodes, it will be a sight to behold from Earth. This event, known as a supernova, will be one of the most spectacular astronomical phenomena ever witnessed by humanity. The supernova will be incredibly bright, possibly outshining the full moon. It will be so luminous that it could even cast shadows at night, transforming the nocturnal landscape into something otherworldly. Imagine a second sun in the sky, visible even during the day. This extraordinary brightness will make it a focal point in the sky, drawing the attention of people all over the world. This celestial beacon will be visible for weeks or even months, gradually fading over time. As it dims, it will offer a unique opportunity to observe the changing phases of a supernova. The colors of the supernova will be breathtaking. Initially, it will shine with a brilliant blue-white light, a testament to the immense energy being released. This intense light is due to the high temperatures and the rapid fusion reactions occurring in the star's core. As it cools, it will transition through a spectrum of colors from yellow to orange to red. Each color change represents a different stage in the cooling process, providing a visual timeline of the supernova's evolution. This cosmic light show will be a once-in-a-lifetime event, a chance to witness the sheer power and beauty of the universe. It will be a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. But the visual spectacle is just the beginning. The supernova will also have significant scientific implications. The supernova will also release a tremendous amount of energy, including light, radiation, and particles. This energy will travel across the cosmos, reaching Earth and providing valuable data for scientists. Fortunately, Earth is far enough away that this energy won't harm us. Instead, it will offer a unique opportunity to study the effects of a supernova from a safe distance. But it will be a boon for scientists who will study the supernova to learn more about the lives and deaths of stars. This event will provide insights into stellar evolution, the formation of heavy elements, and the dynamics of cosmic explosions. Section 5. Earth, safe but not unchanged. Betelgeuse's supernova, while spectacular, poses no direct threat to life on Earth. The distance between our planet and this dying star is vast enough to mitigate any harmful effects. The radiation and particles released during the explosion will be dispersed over long distances, losing their intensity before reaching us. However, Earth won't be entirely untouched. The supernova will generate a surge in cosmic rays, high-energy particles that constantly bombard our planet. These rays could potentially disrupt satellites and communication systems. While such disruptions are likely to be temporary and manageable, they highlight the interconnectedness of Earth and the cosmos. Scientists are constantly monitoring space weather, including cosmic ray activity. They are prepared to mitigate any potential risks posed by Betelgeuse's supernova. Rest assured, Earth will continue to be a safe haven for life even as we witness this dramatic celestial event. Section 6. Orion transformed, a new shape in the sky. Betelgeuse's supernova will leave a lasting mark on the night sky. Its disappearance will be noticeable to the naked eye. The constellation Orion, a familiar sight to stargazers for millennia, will be forever changed. Imagine Orion without its bright shoulder star, its shape subtly altered. The supernova will leave behind a remnant, a cloud of gas and dust expanding outward from the explosion. This remnant, illuminated by the dying embers of the star, will be visible for centuries or even millennia. Over time, it will fade from view, but it will serve as a reminder of Betelgeuse's spectacular demise. The changing night sky reminds us that the universe is not static but a dynamic and evolving place. Stars are born, they live and they die, each stage leaving its own unique imprint on the cosmos. Section 7. A supernova for science, unlocking the secrets of stars. Betelgeuse's supernova presents an unprecedented opportunity for scientists to study these cosmic explosions in detail. Astronomers around the world will point their telescopes towards Orion, eager to capture every stage of the event. They will study the light from the supernova, analyzing its spectrum to understand the composition and dynamics of the exploding star. They will track the expansion of the supernova remnant, observing how it interacts with the surrounding interstellar medium. These observations will provide valuable data for refining models of stellar evolution, helping us understand the life cycles of stars in greater detail. Supernovae are cosmic laboratories, and Betelgeuse's explosion will offer a wealth of information about the processes that drive the evolution of the universe. Section 8. From death New beginnings, the legacy of supernovae. While supernovae mark the end of a star's life, they also sow the seeds for new beginnings. The explosion scatters the elements forged in the star's core far into space. These elements, including the building blocks of planets and life, enrich the interstellar medium, the gas and dust between stars. This enriched material can eventually coalesce to form new stars and planetary systems. In a sense, we are all made of star stuff, the remnants of ancient supernovae that exploded billions of years ago. Betelgeuse's supernova will continue this cycle, contributing to the formation of future generations of stars and planets. The death of one star paves the way for the birth of countless others, highlighting the interconnectedness and continuous renewal of the cosmos. Section 9. Conclusion. Ready for the universe's grand spectacle. Betelgeuse's impending supernova is a reminder of the awe-inspiring power and beauty of the universe we inhabit. It's a celestial event that has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. While we don't know exactly when it will happen, we know that Betelgeuse's explosion will be a must-see event, a chance to witness one of the most powerful and dramatic events in the cosmos. So keep looking up at the night sky and be ready to be amazed by the universe's grand spectacle.